Welcome to today's video, where we are excited to unveil the new AI-powered updates in Zoho Sheet that are set to revolutionize the way you work with data. In 2024, the Zoho Sheet team invested significant effort into research and development to deliver features that enhance productivity and streamline collaboration. The features introduced this year are designed to automate tasks and make your data management experience smoother and more efficient. One of the standout features is Data from Picture. This innovative tool allows you to convert images into editable data with just a few clicks. Instead of spending time manually inputting data from printed tables or screenshots, you can simply upload an image of a table, and Zoho Sheet will intelligently extract text and numbers, turning them into structured, editable data. This not only saves you valuable time, but also reduces the risk of errors, often associated with manual data entry. Imagine how much easier your workflow could be simply by digitizing printed and handwritten tables. Another exciting feature is pattern fill. This tool automates data entry by recognizing patterns in your existing data and completing remaining cells for you. Whether you're reformatting dates, splitting names, or extracting key information, pattern fill takes the hassle out of repetitive tasks. Instead of relying on complex formulas, you can achieve instant formatting and transformations, allowing you to boost your efficiency when working with large data sets. Say goodbye to tedious manual processes and hello to a more automated way of handling your data. Lastly, we introduced the built-in translation feature designed to bridge language gaps in your spreadsheets. If you often work with multilingual data, this tool simplifies the process of translating text between languages without the need for external apps. Just select the text, choose your target language, and watch as Zoho Sheet flawlessly translates your content. This feature not only saves time, but also creates seamless opportunities for global collaboration, making data management more straightforward for teams around the world. These AI-powered features are now live in Zoho Sheet. To help you get the most out of these tools, we are excited to offer a free consultation session. This personalized session will provide you with a detailed overview of the new features and answer any questions you may have. We encourage you to book a free consultation to maximize your productivity and learn how to leverage these updates effectively. We are thrilled to see how these new tools will enhance your workflow and look forward to your feedback. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions and keep an eye out for more exciting updates coming your way. Thank you for watching and happy data managing with Zoho Sheet.